Welcome everyone, and in this video we are gonna work on role-based authentication. First I need to create two pages. One is user, one is admin. User.php, and only admin will be authorized to use this admin page. So I'm going to create these two pages, user.php, user page, and admin.php, admin page, admin page. Copy and paste admin page in user page. Oh yes, that's because we don't have bootstrap in our admin and user page. Bootstrap. Admin page and user page. So now let's get loaded using our user email, which is not an admin. user@gmail.com, user123. So now this user means I am not an admin, so I should not see this admin button here. Now let's work on that. First I need to come here, this main page. Okay, here I'm already in the PHP tags. Include check role.php. So I'm gonna create this page, and for role authentication I'm gonna code in this page, role page.php. So in this main page I have this user email. So using this email I'm gonna get this user role, if this user is an admin or not. Select from user table here, email is equal to user email. Now this variable is this one. Okay, tb, and yes, if we have record in our database, then is admin is equal to role is admin, and this admin that we have in our database. Okay, so now in this variable I have 0 or 1. If the value is 1, it means the user is an admin. If the value is 0, it means that the user is not an admin. Okay. And now where is my navbar? Yes, navbar. Sorry. Here what I'm going to do is that if dollar is admin is equal to 1, which means user is an admin, then print this links button for us. If the user is not an admin, then we should not see this admin here. So let's see what happened. Yes, as you can see, I don't see admin button here, and if admin comes here, if admin log in, then I can see admin. But undefined variable is admin. Yes, that's because they haven't included this in my user and admin page. Not only this, but all of this. For user and for admin, save all the pages, and let's syntax error on line number 30, admin.php, line number 36. And oh yes, I need to add this one also. User, okay, and admin. Yeah, user page and admin page. But we have one problem here. Let me show you. User 1 2 3. It's okay, it's good that I don't have admin button here because I'm not an admin. But what if I try access admin page from here, admin.php? You see, I can access to admin page, which isn't good. So now we are gonna handle that one also. You see, in this page, check role.php, I have this variable is admin, where the is admin value is stored 1 or 0. So here we are gonna check if is admin equal to 1. You see, or we can do one thing, that if this is not equal to 1, then do one thing, header redirect us to location not allowed.php. I'm going to create this page. Else means that the value is 1 and the user is an admin. Then do one thing, yeah, if the user is an admin, then the user will show this admin page. Now let's create this one, not allowed PHP. Okay, include bootstrap.php. div.row, call sm, and div.jumbotron, margin top 5%. You are not allowed to access this page. main.php, back, btn dash primary. Okay. So now let's check. Yeah, I'm not allowed because I'm not an admin. Let's admin.php. You see, I'm not allowed to this page. So no, let's try as an admin. admin 123. Good. Yes. So that's it, guys. I was just trying to give you an idea that how you can protect your website and how you can use role-based authentication. So thank you for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.